Guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to check for the indicator details and its function in TradingView chart. So first of all, you need to have a indicator on. You can go to indicator tabs and choose for any indicator that you prefer in TradingView. So I will use volume profile fixed range as our example. First, go to the volume profile fixed range column and press the three dots at the side. First, you need to go to the volume profile column and press the three dots more details at the side. So basically you can see other settings that you can adjust in this column for the more details, and you can check for about this script. Basically it will show you the details of the script you are using. For example, this script calculates and show volume profile for fixed range. Recently you can read out yourself, and you can see for the details and even the bind script used for this volume profile trading strategy. So basically that's all how you can check for the details and you can plan your trade using this strategy. Thank you.